is a principle. Shiva was not a person. Some people say Shiva was a man, a yogi who lived 10,000 years ago, 15,000 years ago. This is nonsense. Never ever limit Shiva to time. That's why he's called Mahakal, the time of times, cause of all cause. And the way Shiva is described is very interesting. They say his body is permeating in the entire universe. So he is that principle, that energy, that consciousness. Shiva was never a man who walked on the planet. Again, Kailas, it's not one mountain Kailas where he lived all his life. That's nonsense. Kailas, the word itself we must remember what it means. Las means celebration, enthusiasm, joy. Las. Kailas means where there is only celebration, where there is only joy. That is Kailas. And when Shiva Tattva dawns in you, your life becomes only celebration. Everything becomes a celebration. Or when there is celebration, that is where the Shiva principle resides or has blossomed, has manifested, come to light. Yeah? So Shiva has these 5 modes. That is Srishti, Sthiti, Samhar, creation, maintenance and dissolution. Anugrah, that is blessing or grace or compassion, blessing. And Tirobhav means staying in the veil, hiding. Manifesting and staying behind a veil. These are the Panchakritya Parayana. These 5 actions that happens in consciousness. Consciousness is there all the time, but sometimes it is active, it comes into play, sometimes it is dormant. So, energy is there. See, the electricity is there all the time, but when you put off the switch, it is dormant. It is still there. But the light is not coming because it is Tirobhav. It's veiled now. A switch veils it. And then you put on the switch, then electricity is there, it's manifest. So manifesting and remained in an unmanifest form. This happens. And manifestation of consciousness is this entire globe, the entire creation. That is the dance of Shiva. So you can never separate dancer and the dance. The dancer is consciousness or the Purusha, dance is the Prakriti or the nature, the eightfold creation. So they all go together.